welcome back to the channel. We're gonna be making Pom Pom Elves. So I'm just checking what I should have. What shoes and what hat. Oh, that's cute. Alright, now what do I want? Do I want sunglasses with googly eyes? Oh my god, that's so funny. Alright, now do I want blue eyes, eyelashes, sparkly, black eyelashes? Or do I want green eyes? Oh, just fall. Okay. Oh well. I'm probably gonna do the black sunglasses and glue those on. I'm just gonna be using Elmer's glue and just stick on the eye. There we go. Stick it onto the glasses. And now for the other eye. Just glue that on with Elmer's glue and put that on. There we go. And just make sure that's on. Alright. Now there we go. Perfect. I love it. Now where do I want it on the pom-pom? I might look at that later. I should really pick out the ears. Ooh, let's do this. These two ears. There. Now put that there. Now for the rim on the hat thing. Do I want it blue? Ooh, there's a red one. I don't know. I can't pick. Do I want this thing on it? I'm probably going to use blue. Ooh, a heart on the glasses. That's super cute. Do I want it on the hat? What will it look like with these on the glasses on Pom Pom? Well, it looks pretty good, so let's put that on. Here we go. And the other side, stick that on. Ooh, now it's even better than before. And now for this blue thing on the hat. Let's peel that off very quickly. There we go. Now get that out of here. Alright, it's gone. Now we put it on. Make sure it's lined up. It might not be the first time. Let's try this. That is not lined up. Let's try that again. And we're actually going to line it up this time. Put it perfectly on the corners, but nothing is perfect. Just put that on. Oh, it's like a bowl. Okay, well, now for the pom-pom on the hat. Let's take that off and put it on. Now it's red. Perfect. I love it so much. There, just try to fix that. It's so low. Ooh, a heart. Perfect. The hat's super sparkly. I love it. It's perfect. And see where I want the glasses again. Do I want it here? Do I peel it off? Or do I want to glue it? I might want to glue it. Let's just see what that looks like. Oh no, the eye is coming off. Just to make sure that's there, stuck there. Alright, now for the feet. In the picture, it shows that the toes are curled. So I'm just going to use a pencil. Do I do it this way? Oh, I do it this way. Okay. That'll make it look. Oh my goodness. It's so good. I love it. There. And just... let's do them both at the same time. Perfect! I love it. Put that bit longer. And that's what I ended up with. I love it. Super happy with it. Oh, now the buttons. Do I want blue ones or red ones? I kind of want blue ones. Just like that. The hat rim. Now put this stuff, take off this stuff. stuff off. Make sure they can stick. So it's sticky. Take those out. And there we are. Our first blue button. Now just stick that on to the foot and make sure it sticks perfect and does not come off. Now for the other one, I did the same exact thing. Make sure it's on there really tightly and just squeeze that on. Tuck it real few. And now I need to make sure that these googly eyes are on because I don't want them falling. Oh, and also I'm using hot glue to glue on the pom-pom to the feet. And now I need glue on the glasses. So make sure that's on there tight. Now hot glue it on and stick that on. And make sure it's stuck and it does not come off. And perfect. Now for the hat. How do I want it? Just hot glue it on right there. It looks good. I love it. Super happy with it. And now for the ears. Just peel off the sticker and glue that on. And perfect. Now for the other ear. I'm just gonna hot glue it on. It's kind of the other ear is falling, so I think this one might. Yep, it fell. It's on the floor. Oh well. It's at least my elf is good. It's all done. Now this is my brother's. He's using green. Our Pom Pom Elves. These are how they turned out. Thanks for watching.